Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Justice Pakistan, Chief Guest of this glorious ceremony, Honorable Mr. Justice Ijazul Hasan, Judge Supreme Court of Pakistan, Honorable Mr. Justice Aminuddin Khan, Judge Supreme Court of Pakistan, my sister and brother judges, respectable judges of district judiciary, executive, the concerned officials of relevant department who cooperated with Judicial Academy for this training workshop and all other necessary programs, especially the World Bank Group, PIU, and Pakistan Institution of National Development. I am also thankful to my brother judges who dedicated themselves continuously for a couple of weeks so that we were able to point out the relevant laws which we have to taught to our judges for improving their skill. And in this respect, Mr. Justice Sheikh Shahid Waheed, Mr. Justice Shahid Kareem, and Mr. Justice Jawad Hasan took a pain for these matters. Lordship, my brother judges in detail discussed the purpose of this event, why we entered in this era, what was the reasons which compelled us to train our judges. और वो किसी ने कहा था, जो उन्होंने कहा मैंने समझा कि मेरे दिल में है. All the words said by brother judges, if they never explain it before, the guess I have to explain, but at this stage, I feel it appropriate that I should not repeat all the discussion which was explained, all the reasons which were advanced by the speakers before your Lordship and the members who are present here. In short, I will just took a minute or two. Lordship, it is rightly said that without courts, law remain dead letters, as these are the courts through which law is enforced, expounded and operated. So the courts give life to dead letters of law, which in turn gives life to orderly growth of a nation. Thus, dispensation of justice is direct link with prosperity, and miracles of prosperity are straightway dependent upon enforcement of law. Therefore, I must say that the courts have vital role to safeguard the constitutional rights, shielding the economic performance, exhibiting principle of equity, and securing commercial peace. Lordship, this is our first step. Inshallah, the time will come, we will adopt all legal measures so that we achieve the standards that we become the part of international commercial organization society and international user committee, which will be a healthy achievement for the nation, for the state, and for our judiciary. I am also thankful to the eminent lawyers who joined us in this program for the purpose of training the judges of the district judiciary, and they dedicated themselves completely without receiving back any financial benefit as we pay to the other lecturers during the training courses. I am really thankful. I will not name anyone, that the number of advocates are so high. If I miss anyone, it may not be a healthy sign for the Judicial Academy at this occasion. Although the smiling faces of the advocates are in front of my eyes, and their devotion, their presence in the ceremony of the beginning of this occasion and ceremony for closing of this occasion, we are really thankful to all of them. Lordship, at this occasion, I hope that the legal fraternity of the advocates will cooperate for early decision of these cases, which are fixed before these judges and involve the commercial cause. And the learned advocates shall avoid unnecessary adjournments, so that these matters may be decided as early as possible. Lordship, we stand with all organs of the state to lead our citizens for creative and spontaneous social life, for contributing social impulses in common welfare through their investments. According to me, justice is to give right to right person at a right time, so these three rights together makes justice done. In the end, I am grateful to all my colleague brother judges, Research Center, Punjab Judicial Academy, administrative staff, lawyers, Planning and Development Department, and the government functionaries who collectively made this possible. I am also grateful to the Honorable Chief Justice of Pakistan and the judges of the Apex Court who honored us by their presence and make this event as memorable to us. Lordship, किसी ने कहा था ये एक मुश्किल रास्ता था, एक नई मंजिल थी, एक नई बात थी, लेकिन कौमों की ज़िंदगी के लिए बड़ी ज़रूरी है। जो सोए ख्वाब गफलत में इन्हें मुर्दा ही जानो तुम, हो जिन्हें फ़िक्र फ़रदा तो वही जीदार जिंदा हैं। बदल सकती नहीं हालत कभी गुल अपनी मिल्लत की, उठे जब तक न मिल्लत के सभी अफराद की दस्तक। लॉर्डशिप, लाहौर हाई कोर्ट ने आज ये दस्तक दे दी है। अब मुख्तलिफ अदारे इंक्लूडिंग गवर्नमेंट और पार्लियामेंट की ज़िम्मेदारी है कि अपनी अपनी ज़िम्मेदारियाँ अदा करें, ताकि जिस एरा में दुनिया दाखिल हो चुकी है हम भी उसमें दाखिल हो सकें। अल्लाह आपका, हमारा, हमारे अदारों का हामी होना चाहिए।